Hello, welcome to another class with Physics Anchor. Today, we'll be solving more past questions for those people that will be writing JAMB or UTME. So today we have these three simple questions under the topic electricity. Let's get to work. So we start with question number 1. A current of 100 milliampere passes through a conductor for 2 minutes. The quantity of electricity transported is dash. So in other words, they want us to find the quantity of electricity that must have passed through this conductor for 2 minutes. So we have the current being given. Okay, so let's work according to our culture. Let's list out the parameters given. So we have the current equals 100 milliampere, and then we have time being given as 2 minutes. So they want us to find the quantity of electricity. So by formula, we know that the quantity of electricity is equals to IT. That's current times the time the current used to pass through a conductor or maybe the appliance. So the time that the current passed through and the current, the product of the two of them will give us the quantity of electricity transported. So let's check the parameters given now. So the current given here is in milliampere, and we know that the SI unit of current is in ampere. So we have to convert. So that will be 100 times 10 raised to power minus 3, okay, ampere, okay. And then the time also is given in minutes, and it must be in seconds. So we convert by multiplying by what? 60. That will be 120 seconds. So now we can find what we have here now. That's Q equals current, which is 100 times 10 raised to power minus 3. And then we have times the time, which is 120. Okay, that will give us 100 divided by 1000 times 120. 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here. So that will give us 12 coulomb. So 12 coulomb, okay, because the unit for quantity of the electricity that is transported is in coulomb. So we are going to have 12 coulombs, and that will be our answer. I hope you understand this. If you want to understand this the more, you can still visit the topic electrolysis. Okay, even in your chemistry, you have something like this also. So it's just that part that is actually similar to physics and chemistry. So you have this. So 12 coulombs of electricity must have passed through the conductor for 2 minutes, given that what the current is what 100 milliampere. So that's the solution for question number 1. Let's get to question number 2. Okay. Question number 2, we have this simple diagram. Okay. Find the effective resistance in the diagram above. So this is just straightforward. If you still understand very well your series connection of resistors and parallel connection of what? Resistors. So let's analyze this. So you see that this resistor is in series with this, series, series, series. So the current will flow. So all of them are connected in series. So definitely it's going to be 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. That's 4 in 6 places. So that's supposed to be 4 plus 4 plus 4. So instead of doing that, or we can simply do it that way. Okay. So because it's series connection, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will give us 24. Or you can simply say, since they are the same, you just say 4 times 6 because they are all the same. That will still give you 24 ohms, 24 ohms. So that will be our R total. Our R total is equals to 24 ohms. So it's a very simple question. It's just like bonus if you are able to see something like this in your exam. So it's very straightforward. Let's get to number 3 that we have here. Question number 3. Okay. Question number 3, we have this diagram. So what is the resistance in the diagram above? So they want us to find what? The total resistance in this diagram. So by analysis, as the current moves from here, it gets to this place and what? Divided into 2. So this resistor and this resistor, they are in parallel to what? Each other, because different currents will flow here, different currents will flow here. So since different currents will flow through them, that means that what, they are in parallel. So let's first connect that. So we say R parallel will be this 10 ohms and this 10 ohms. Okay, so that will be, remember, it's R1, R2. We have done something like this. So that will give me 10 times 10 over 10 plus 10. And that will give us 100 over 20. That will give us 5. So that will give us 5 ohms. So if we are to redraw this, so the diagram will become something like this. Okay, 10 ohms. So these two have combined together now. They have become 5 ohms. And then this, another 10 ohms is here. So you can see that all of them now, they are connected in series. So for us to find the R total, become what? Simple. Just say 100 plus 50 plus, that's 10 plus 50 plus 5 rather, and plus 10. So 10 here plus this 5 plus this 10. So everything will give us 25 ohms. So that will be our R total. So I hope you have learned something new, or you have been refreshed with what you know before solving these past questions together. So I want you to go through the video again, watch until you understand, and try to share out this video with other JAMB students around you so that more people can benefit from this video. Like this video, comment, share out, subscribe, hit the notification button so that you can be informed anytime I drop a new video. I wish you all the best in your examination. Bye for now.